Alright, here to do a house wash and a roof debris removal, but wanted to note the damages that I saw beforehand. So we got some rotten wood there along the fascia. Just want to kind of capture everything. Sidewalk's really nasty. We're gonna clean it up real good and want that done. Alright, probably gonna be kind of hard to tell, but just wanted to do a little after video. You can tell the concrete is much cleaner. So the brick came out really nice. Came out pretty nice. Only thing is that composite deck is still wet, so probably can't really tell. I mean, I feel like you can tell it's much cleaner. The color it's supposed to be now. Wish I could get a dry photo of it, but it's about to pour down rain. It's lightning. I need to pack up and get out of here, but it came out really good. All right. What up, cuz? I guess I just like working in the rain. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I guess that's my cue to leave.